I just inspected this vehicle, road tested it, it drives well. Obviously it has rattles, plastic rattles, that is not a luxury vehicle, so you will have to expect that. But overall, the vehicle is in a good condition. Advisories are the discs are scored, they are worn. They're not excessively worn, but they are worn for time for replacement. The pads are about 30% left at the back. Front ones are about 70-80% left. The tyres are good. The rear ones are about 4.6 millimeters left. Average. Engine sounds sweet. There's no visual any previous accident damage on it. The frame looks straight to me. Interior, the roof works. Obviously, this side is fine. That side trim has a bit of wear and tear. There's no oxidation marks. Maybe in a tiny few places which you would consider as normal wear and tear. On the seat, some little imperfections can be noticed. Same as here, wear and tear, fair wear and tear on some panels. Scratch wise, yes, there's some blemishes. You will see some exterior trim, obviously age related issue. Some crack here. Obviously you will expect some wear and tear around it, but otherwise it's in a I would say very good condition of the vehicle. You will see some discoloration marks, and on the seat same way around here, some wear and tear on the sides. But yeah, it's a great car. Thanks for using us.